Alright, we're up at the property here, and I got to, I don't know how the dog's bowl got over here. Anyway, crawl over here and grab this. There we go. Anyway, I'm up at the property, and I've got to, I'm going to dump this black tank. Now I've got a septic tank I had installed that I can dump this into, so I got this Rhino, I don't know what you call it, poop tote, whatever. Waste tote. Let me know what you guys call it, but I'm going to show you guys how to dump this thing. So, you got your hose here. I'm going to take these caps off. That hose is going to go on here. I'm going to have a hose. Got it connected to this side. So we're going to use this elbow. This elbow goes there. This is going to turn on to here. Now, let's pull this out of the way. Really should wear gloves just in case, but yeah, I know it's not that bad. This connects up here. There we go. Now, on these you have a vent. You got to open this vent or else you won't get any flow out of here. Open that vent up. Now you can pull your valve. Mine happens to sit up here. There it is. And you can see it flowing in there. It shouldn't be too much in here. I did it the other day, but this was more of just a rinse. I put water in it and then one of the tablets. So I'll let this drain in here. Now my tank is, this portable tank is a lot smaller than what the actual black tank is, so you have to keep an eye out. Make sure you don't overfill it and have a mess. And this is almost done. Yeah, see, there's not much in there. Now, the way I would do it at a campground, or if I was actually dumping the whole thing, is I would do the black tank. You close that off. Close off the valve, and then you could do the gray tank. I don't think I have anything in this gray tank. Barely anything. Now I have a second gray tank over there for that one. That one's for the sinks. This one's for the showers. That's it. So now we'll take it over to the septic tank and we'll dump it in there. Close off your vent before you move it. So take this, close that up. I close my gray valve here. Kind of do that to get the rest out of here. Now the rest is just gray water in here, so if I get a little on the ground, it's just soapy water really. And we'll dump the rest in here. Lift this up and let the rest of it flow. Now there is caps and stuff that go on the hose, but I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to disconnect this and cap this off, and I'll take it over to the septic tank. Little trick on these things. This handle here, pull it out of here. So this handle they give you, now you can pull it by hand. It hooks in like this, right? You can hold it up, but this loop here is made to go around the ball on your truck. So if you had to haul it a long way, you hook that on the ball of your truck, drive it real slow around the campground, and take it to the dump station. Right, here at the septic tank, open this up. I'm going to stick this in here. Thread that into there. Stick the hose onto that. Get that over. Alright, hose to the septic tank. Hose is going to come up onto your portable tank. Like so. We are going to open the vent. And lift her up. When you lift up, it's going to drain down in there. Now I'll take the cap off. Now that I know it's not going to splash all the way on me. And let it flow in. When you're done emptying your tank, this here is the hook a garden hose into. So you can rinse it out. So I'm going to hook my garden hose to it. And I'm going to hook it up and let it rinse around. Alright, water's on. Got the hose on. Gonna open the vent cap. Let this run around in there for a little bit. And when I'm done, I'll cap it all back up, put this away, call it a day.